First, if you see from the daily chart, so there was this pullback, and then the auction again went higher. Okay. Now, if you look from the market profile chart, what has happened is, so this is the activity this many days. So what is happening is, if you see, let me draw a square, that will be much better. Okay. So if you see this 3 days option, so if you see in this 3 days auction, what we are seeing is, so this was the range. Again, we had a balanced profile followed by one more balanced profile. Okay. So whenever you are seeing that, so this indicates sideways. Okay. So whenever you are seeing sideways, there are two things, which are happening, whenever you are seeing sideways movement. First thing is the smart monies, they are actually, so first of all, there will be a PP of prominent point of control reference, which you will be able to spot. Okay, that is one way to identify. So wherever there is a prominent point of control, what is happening is either the smart money, they are booking profits, or they are, they are entering at they are just building up their positions to short the market, or so whenever there is a balanced profile happening, or whenever there is a sideways price action, the sideways auction development happening, what happens is you will either see a breakout or a breakdown. So if you see from this 3 days, so this is from 20th December to 24th December. Okay, so 3 days. So what has happened is the smart monies, they were just building their short positions, and other activity which you see is, so whoever missed this buying rally, they will be the late laggards, they will be just trying to enter. So always note and see the profile shape. Wherever you are seeing that that the auction is balancing, I would say try to stay away from those days. Okay. One of the trades which I found out is, I'm good at trading days, so I'm good at identifying. So one way to identify this trend days is just see the balance. Once you have a balance, so as per the option market theory, markets are trading from a balance to imbalance, again a balance to again imbalance, then again a balance to an imbalance. Okay, so this is the overall nature of the market, as per the option market theory. So what we have here is, first of all, there is a prominent point of control, which I'm seeing. Second thing is, the range is pretty narrow. If you see, the range of day 1 is big, day 2 is again shrinking, and day 3 is again shrinking. Okay. Third thing is, there is overlapping value. So this is the value, this is the value, this is the value. So we have a lot of references, a lot of data points. So what you have to do is, you have to then follow the balance rule. So I'll be sharing the balance rules later on. But this indicates that this is a sideways market. So don't do anything. Okay, the best, don't do anything, don't trade. Just see the auction development and see where the auction is getting rejected or accepted.